Roku TVs can freeze, slow down, or stop responding unexpectedly, and the quickest way to fix most of these issues is with a reset or reboot. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to reset and restart your Roku TV, both with a remote and without one, so you'll always have a solution when something goes wrong. If you have your Roku TV remote and want to completely reset the TV, go to the Settings menu. From there, open System, then Advanced System Settings, and select Factory Reset. The TV will show a code you'll need to enter to confirm, and once you do, the TV will erase your apps, accounts, and settings and return to its original factory condition, just like when you first bought it. Before resetting, remember this wipes everything, so only use it if nothing else works. If you don't have the remote, you can still reset the TV manually. Look at the back or side of your Roku TV and find the small reset button or pinhole. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black and the Roku logo appears again. Another quick option is to unplug the TV's power cord, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This won't erase anything, but it helps clear temporary glitches. Depending on how long the reset button is held, the TV will either reboot or perform a full reset. If your remote isn't working, remove the batteries, press every button firmly to clear stuck contacts, and put in fresh batteries to rule out a remote issue before troubleshooting the TV. If you only need to restart your Roku TV without deleting anything, there are two easy methods with the remote. The first method is using a key combination. Press the home button 5 times, then press up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. The TV may pause for a moment before it restarts itself. The second method is from the Settings menu. Go to Settings, then System, then Power, and select System Restart. This will reboot the TV normally without removing your apps or accounts. These two options are great for fixing slow performance, freezing, or lag. If the remote is missing, the fastest way to reboot your Roku TV is to unplug it directly from the wall for about 30 seconds and plug it back in. This works like a soft restart and is safe for the TV. Another option is to use the Roku mobile app on your phone. This only works if your phone and TV were already connected to the same Wi-Fi network before the TV froze. Open the app, select your TV, go to Settings, choose System Restart, and the TV will reboot immediately. It's a simple way to control the TV when the remote isn't available. That's it for this video on how to reset and reboot your Roku TV with or without a remote. I hope these step-by-step methods make it easier to fix your TV anytime it freezes or stops responding. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more simple tech fixes. If one of these methods worked for you or you're still stuck, leave a comment below. I'd love to help out and hear what happened. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.